Vendix, your expert website provider.
Okay, today as promised, yun po na ituturo ko po sa inyo kung ano po yung tools na pwede natin gamitin for our online marketing and for our AIM Global business, and ituturo ko na po sa inyo kung paano po mag-target ng market. Okay, so by the way, welcome in my personal website. So ito po yung personal website ko. This is my personal link, edward.aimglobal.inc247.com. Okay, you can visit me anytime po in my website rather. So this is my personal details. Nandito po yung Facebook address ko, my contact numbers, my email, and my Skype name. Now you can contact, if any one of you na may questions po with regards to online marketing, you can contact me, okay, using these details po. You can simply PM me in Facebook, you can email me, or contact me through Skype, or just text me using my mobile numbers. Okay, and I'll be happy to entertain you po, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions din po. Now, kanina napag-usapan po natin on how to target your market and kung ano po yung mga bagay na pwede nating ibigay that is of value to our prospects and to our audience in Facebook. Okay, so napag-usapan din po natin yung about blogging. Okay, so in my website kasama na po yung blog. Okay, nandito na po yung blog, naka-integrate na po siya. So let's try to go to my blog. Okay, now welcome to my blog page. Okay, so ito po yung mga list of blogs ko and list of articles. Okay, but before we will go to my articles, let me introduce to you first kung ano po yung nasa sidebars natin. Okay, nandito po yung call to action, like us on Facebook. Actually, in-integrate po yan ni Mr. Ed Hironilla, our web system developer, na i-integrate po yung Facebook page natin. So this is one way of how to gather our audience by using the power of blog. So yung mga audience po natin, yung mga readers po natin, pwede na po silang mag-like immediately inside here in our website without using Facebook. Okay, now nandito rin po yung most popular post ko. This is based on the number of views. Okay, magiging top 1 po yung mga may pinakamaraming views po. And as you can see, meron din po tayong advertisement dito sa gilid. Ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina na huwag po tayo sa timeline magbenta. Instead, dito na po tayo sa blog mag-introduce ng business natin, or dito na po tayo magbenta sa inside our blog. Okay, so as you can see, I have 2 banners here, or 2 advertisements. Nandito po yung other business ko, which is my real estate. By the way, I'm a real estate agent also. So I was able to post my real estate business. Okay, so nagbebenta din po ako ng shoreline and beachline lots. So nandito po yung contact numbers ko and my full name, and actually this is just a sample. Okay, so you can actually put any title here. Okay, now this is my AIM Global website po, and then as you can see, wala po akong na-mention AIM Global. Ang na-mention ko lang po, are you looking for a profitable business? Okay, sinadya po namin yan. It is because once na hindi po natin i-mention yung AIM Global, we are trying to create curiosity po, and once na curious po yung tao, ano po yung gagawin nila? Okay, yung gagawin po nila is they will search for answer, and in order for them to find the answer, yung gagawin nila is to click this advertisement. Okay, so this is one of the persuasion technique din po, and curiosity, to build curiosity to your readers. Okay, so ito po yung mga list of articles natin. Okay, so mapapansin po ninyo, I wasn't mentioning AIM Global. So I was trying to do target marketing. So sino po bang target ko in this article? So yung mga target ko po are those people who are trying to be motivated, to have a positive mindset. Okay, yung mga taong to those people na gustong magkaroon po ng positive attitude. Okay, so as much as possible, wag po tayo mag-aksaya ng oras doon sa mga taong negatrons po sa business natin, because our time is so precious. Pwede po natin yang i-spend doon sa mga taong positive po. Okay, wag po natin ubusin yung oras natin doon sa mga negative people. Okay, so another article, so 5 ways of a successful OFW. So this is another example. So sino po ba yung target market ko dito? Okay, yung mga OFW pong target market ko dito. And inside my article, I was able to promote my MLM business po. And I was trying to suggest na they have to start their own business. Okay, so let's try another article. So, ito po yung another article ko. Okay. And here, another example. So, sino po bang target market ko dito? Okay, 5 tips on how to increase your wealth. So, yung target market ko po dito is actually yung mga taong gustong yumaman. Okay, 'di ba? Motto po natin sa AIM Global is we make ordinary people into extraordinary millionaires. Okay, so yung target market ko dito is yung mga gustong yumaman, which is pwedeng ibigay yan ni AIM Global. Okay, so sila po yung magiging target market ko. So this is a good opportunity for me to introduce my business because they are interested about this. Okay, so as much as possible, we have to do target marketing in order for us to filter our audience. Okay, so like this one, another example, 6 simple ways to prevent cancer. So sino bang target market natin dito? Yung mga taong meron pong cancer, or those people who are afraid to have cancer, or mga health conscious people, or those people that merong kakilala, a friend na merong cancer or relative na may cancer. So sila po yung magiging target market ko. And inside this article, I was able to promote my C24/7 business also. Now, again, another example, 5 profitable business idea for starters. Sino ba yung target market ko dito? Okay? Ang target market ko po dito is yung mga taong gustong magsimula ng kanilang sariling negosyo. Okay? So, again, in this article, I was able to promote my MLM business po, and I was able to suggest AIM Global if they want to consider MLM as their choice of business. Okay? So, as what I have said a while ago, na if we do blogging po, blogs is very flexible since we can vary its topic, its title, depending kung ano po yung target market natin, depending kung ano pong interest yung tatamaan natin. Okay, so let's try to visit one of my article. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so nandito na po tayo sa article ko. So as you can see, nandito pa rin po yung Facebook page natin. Again, yung readers natin has the chance to like our page, and that is one way on how to gather audiences for our Facebook marketing. Okay, so pwede po silang mag-like dyan kahit wala po sila sa Facebook. And nandito pa rin po yung call to action. Okay, this is our carousel, our gallery. Actually, you can upload a maximum of 4 pictures. And actually, gumagalaw po yan since this is a carousel po. And ito po yung title natin. Okay, so makikita din po ninyo, actually meron po siyang caption. Okay, so you can explain a little bit about this image. Okay, so pwede kayong maglagay ng message dyan, anything, pwede kayong maglagay ng quotation, anything, ano yung message niyo. And your prospect can easily choose pictures po kung ano yung babasahin nila or papanoorin nilang pictures. Okay, now again, nandito pa rin po yung most popular post ko. Okay, so this will persuade your readers to read more about your other blogs. Okay, so ito po yung article ko, ito po yung content. Now as you can see, ito po yung na-mention ko kanina na dito na po tayo sa blog magbenta ng our business. And again, in my banner, in one of my banner, yung na-mention ko lang po is how to earn 20 to 30,000 per month. So again, even in my advertisements, I was trying to do target marketing. So sino po bang target market ko dito? Yung mga taong interesadong kumita ng 20 to 30,000, which is kayang-kayang i-provide yan ni AIM Global. So again, this is another call to action. So I was able to create curiosity, and they will look for answer. And yung answer po is nasa loob po ng banner na yan, which is they can only get that answer once they will click this banner. Okay, so nandito rin po yung gallery ko, video gallery. Actually, you can embed and upload up to maximum of 4 videos po, any videos po kung ano po yung gusto nyo ilagay. Okay, so dito I was able to promote my C24/7, suggesting that it will help in treating or preventing cancer to happen. Okay, so this through this you can educate people po through your videos. Now again, in my right side, okay, nandito pa rin po yung advertisement banners ko. So nandito pa rin yung Shoreline Beachline lots na binibenta ko. Okay, and nandito rin po yung isang AIM Global banner ko. Okay, again, hindi po ako nag-mention ng AIM Global. This is again to create curiosity. Okay, now let's just say all throughout his reading, hindi po siya naging interesado dun sa 20,000 sa mga about profitable business. Maybe iba yung need niya. Gusto niya maging healthy. So, naglagay din po kami ng banner with health approach. Okay, baka health conscious lang po yung reader natin. So, discover different ways on how to stay healthy. So, if your readers wants to find the answer, yung gagawin niya again is to click this image. Okay, another call to action. Okay, actually pwede din po mag-like ng prospect ninyo inside your article. Okay, and pwede po nilang i-share to. Now once na nagustuhan po nila tong article mo, yung gagawin po ng mga readers ninyo is actually they will either like or they will like and they will share your article. They will share this to their friends. Okay, and then once they will share this, makikita din ulit yan doon sa timeline po ng nag-share niyan, and a lot of his friends din po na makaka-relate nito is actually they will share it also to their timelines, and that is how we get our referrals online unlimited po. Okay, so dito po pwede po silang mag-post ng comment yung mga readers ninyo by sharing their thoughts. Okay, dito sa comment box, this is how we communicate with people through online. Okay, so ano po yung mga suggestion nila, queries, feedbacks, pwede po nilang ilagay dito. Okay, so pwede po silang mag-post. Now every time they hit comment, this article will be posted also in their timeline. Okay, now let's talk about the advertisements. Okay, so as what I have said a while ago, na dito tayo magbenta. Okay, unahin po natin yung traditional business ko. Okay, let's just say hindi po sila na sold out dito sa mga AIM Global business. Okay, di po sila sold out dito in these banners. Okay, so naging interested siya yung viewer ninyo doon sa binibenta mong traditional business. Let's just say mas interested siya to invest on shoreline and beachline lots, hindi po sa business natin. So yung gagawin lang po ng prospects natin is just to click this image. Okay, actually you can put URL po anywhere kung saan po ninyo gusto ma-redirect yung clients po ninyo. So kagaya po nito, actually sa Facebook ko po i-redirect po yung mga prospects ko. So let's just say interested ako with this promotion. So yung gagawin lang po ng prospect is to click this banner. Okay, okay, now once they will click that banner, okay, they will be redirected to your traditional business. So yung traditional business ko, yung Shoreline Beachline lots ko, is dito ko po nilagay sa Facebook. So itong Facebook address ko po yung nilagay kong URL dito. So they will be redirected here in my Shoreline Beachline lots. So nandito po yung details all about my real estate business. Okay, now let's just say naging interested siya dito sa on how to earn 20 to 30,000 per month. So yung gagawin ng prospect nyo is just to click this banner. Okay, and they will be redirected to your capture page. By the way, ang tawag po nito is capture page or your landing page. Okay, wala pong na-mention in global dyan. And again, this is to create curiosity, and in order for them to find the answer, they have to fill up this form first. Actually, di po sila magkakaroon ng access unless they will fill up this form. Okay, so let's try one of my friends, si Hazel. Okay, Toledanes. Okay, then yung email niya. Okay, let's just say ito yung prospect. Then di ko po memorize yung number niya. Yung number ko na lang po yung ilagay. And then start now. Okay, so once na nag-click po yung prospect ninyo, they will be redirected to your website. Okay, supposed to be mariredirect po yung prospect natin sa presentation page, but as of now ginagawa pa po namin yung presentation page and malapit na po yung matapos. Okay, so no need for you to do the presentation. Yung gagawa na po ng presentation is your personal website. Okay, and malapit na po namin yung i-release. Okay, siguro by this month na po. Okay, so ito po yung na-click natin. Now let's try this one. Okay, again this one. So hindi siya naging interesado dito. Okay, mas interested siya to start for a profitable business. Okay, yung prospects ninyo, just click the banner and again they will be redirected to your landing page. Again, mag-fill up ulit sila ng form once they want to find the answer. So let's just say Ed Hironilla, which is our system web developer namin. Then email niya. Okay. Then contact number here, again hindi ko po memorize yung contact number niya. So let's try to click start now, and again once they will click start now, they will be redirected to your website. And again, supposed to be mariredirect po yung prospects natin sa presentation page, but as of now ginagawa pa po namin yung presentation page. Okay, now let's just say hindi pa rin sold out yung prospect ninyo in this banner. Hindi siya sold out dito, hindi siya sold out dito. Okay, kasi yung priority nga niya is yung health po niya. Dito po siya naging interested. Okay, so let's just say nag-click po siya in this banner. Okay, now again they will be redirected to your health landing page. Okay, so you are able to give a short information on how to stay healthy, and sa last po, nag-mention po tayo, have a powerful antioxidant, which is yun po yung C24/7. Now, you're about to discover the 50 most powerful antioxidants. So, if they want to find out more, yung gagawin lang nila is again, to fill up this form to have access. So, again, di po sila magkakaroon ng access once na hindi po nila na-fill up ang form na to. Okay, so this is our trust identifiers or trust indicators. Okay, so let's just say this one, yung sister ko po, anime. Okay, tapos yung email niya, contact number. Again, di ko po memorize yung contact number niya, sa akin na lang din po. Now, click start now. Okay, once they will click start now, they will be redirected to your C24/7 product, so giving them the answer. Okay, so this will give them the answer. So nandito po yung introduction, nandito po yung short video, short details about our product. So nandito rin po yung health benefits, content, and real testimonies. Okay, so pwede po nila i-click yung mga health benefits. Okay, so they can find out more. And pwede po silang mag-comment again dito sa baba sa comment box. Okay, so pwede nilang tignan tong contents, okay, and the real testimonies. Okay, since yung mga prospects po natin ay mahilig po yan sa story. Okay, so pag nagustuhan po yan ng prospect ninyo, okay, pag nagustuhan po niya yung C24/7, yung gagawin niya, it's either magla-like po siya or mag-share po siya. So, at least yung website nyo na po yung gumagawa sa presentation. And the most important part, nakuha mo po yung contact number niya. Okay, so paano ba yun makukuha yung contact details niya? Okay, so since ako po yung website owner nito and ako lang po yung may access po sa prospect list ko. Okay, so magla-login po muna ako. Okay, so naka-login na po ako. So nandito lang po yung prospect list ko. Okay, so again, ako lang po yung may access nito since ako po yung may-ari. Okay, because this is my personal website. Okay, so as you can see, nandito na po yung details na fill up po natin. Okay, so nandito na po yun. Okay, so it's either you can email your prospects, you can email them, or you can contact them using their contact numbers. Okay, you can call them or text them anytime. Okay, so nandito din po yung mga dates. And as you can see, marami na rin po ako na-generate na mga prospects. Okay, so ito po yun. And di ko na lang po ipapakita yung iba. Okay, so this is my gold mine actually. Okay, so yun po yung tinatawag nating conversion. Okay, so nagawa natin using with one tool, using one website. Na-utilize po natin yung website natin. We were able to target our market and we were able to convert our audience, our raw prospects into a real prospect, which is meron na po tayo mga contact numbers. Okay, now maybe may question po kayo kung paano po ba ipopromote tong blog po ninyo in your Facebook. Okay, so let's try this time. So in order for us to promote our blog, yung gagawin nyo lang po is just to simply click the share button. Actually, we have two options po. Okay, it's either we click the share button, okay, then paste it into your timeline or to a friend's timeline in a group or in a page that you manage in your Facebook page. So just click this share link. Okay, and second way on how to promote this blog is just to copy this link. Okay, kopyahin po niyo itong link na nasa itaas, and this is my preference po. Okay, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung bakit po this is my preference. Okay, just click copy and then paste it into your timeline. Okay, click paste. Okay, so nandito na po yung blog article natin. So pwede mo yung lagyan ng any text. Okay, okay, so or ganito po tayo mag-create ng curiosity. Okay, let's just say learn the 6 simple ways on how to prevent cancer. Okay, so I love number 6. Okay, so yung makakabasa po niyan is magiging curious po sila. Okay, magiging curious po sila kung ano ba yung nasa number 6. Okay, and this is call to action again, so share it to your friends. Okay, so this is how we promote our blog. Okay, I love number 6, read more. So magiging curious sila kung ano ba yung nasa number 6. Okay, now makikita po ninyo meron po siyang arrow dito. Actually, you can change the image. Okay, the share image. Okay, so pwede mo po siyang i-change. Okay, so let's just say ito po yung napili ko, so just simply post. Okay, so na-post ko na po yung article. Now let's try using the same article po. Okay, using the same article. Okay, and let's try another picture. Okay, so let's just say that one. Okay, let's click post. Now again, you were able to post your blog using another picture. Pasensya na po, medyo mabagal lang po yung internet ko. Okay, using another picture. Okay, so let's try another one. Okay, paste. Then choose picture. Okay, medyo mabagal lang po yung internet. Then click post. So ito po, as you can see, I was able to promote the same link, okay, the same article, but with different pictures po. Okay, so pwede ko po yung i-post anytime, as many times as I want. Okay, now once na naging interested po yung prospects natin or yung viewers natin in Facebook, okay, once this will catch their attention, so yung gagawin po ng prospect natin is they will read this article. Okay, so i-click po nila yan and they will be redirected to your blog. Okay, so once they will start reading your blog, again makikita po nila itong mga banners po ninyo and your advertisements. Okay, and minsan yung ginagawa nila is they will share Yung iba hindi na nila pinapanood hindi na nila babasahin yung vlog mo, but once they like the title, okay, they will just eventually share it immediately. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung mga previous ko pong na-post in my Facebook page. So kagaya po nito, I was able to, okay, this post po, I was able to generate 32 shares. Okay, so one time ko lang po yung na-post. Okay, medyo mabagal lang yung internet, di lang po nag-load yung image. Okay, so like this one. So I was able to generate 68 shares. Okay, so yung mga nag-share po niyan, meron pong iba, mga AIM Global members, and mostly po may mga nag-share din po mga non-AIM Global members. And I was able to reach 3,000 prospects with one post. Okay, so I have other articles din po dyan. Okay, so that is how we do our online marketing, and through Facebook sharing. Okay, once na i-share po yan ng mga readers ninyo in their timelines, makikita ulit yan ng other friends nila, and again it will be shared and it will be shared, and that is how we get online referrals, limitless online referrals. Okay, so marami po yung makakakita doon sa mga advertisement natin, and marami po yung mag-i-inquire. Okay, I am inviting everyone to like our Facebook page po. Hanapin nyo na lang po sa Facebook, Vendix or Vendix official page. Okay, yung ginagawa po namin sa Vendix is we provide a personal website exclusive for AIM Global members, and kindly like our page po in order for you to receive updates with regards to online marketing, and be motivated with us also because we are also posting motivational quotes here in our Facebook page. Pwede po niyo i-share yan sa friends ninyo, to anyone. Okay, now to Sir June po, thank you very much on watching this video. I hope na meron po kayong natutunan, and I hope na nakatulong po ako sa problem po ninyo. Okay, and sa lahat po ng nanonood nitong video, if you have questions po all about online marketing, again, you can simply PM me through Facebook. Okay, find me in Facebook, Steve Valeroso po, or you can PM us here in Vendix. You can message us, or you can click this contact us button. Okay, so you can upgrade your business with us also. If you have inquiries, again, kindly PM us also. Now, to all who is watching this video, I hope na meron po kayong natutunan. Okay, and thank you very much for your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless us all po. God bless you in your business, and happy networking po to everyone.
Vendix, your expert website provider.